realistically, duties are a wonderful time for us to teach skills, to coach kids, and to really get to know them. Should the lunchroom, the cafeteria, be loud? No. Yes. Yes, it should be loud. It's going to be loud. You put 100 people in one room with a high ceiling, and it's not as loud over at Troy because it's freezing in there. So we freeze them when they go to the cafeteria so they don't talk a lot. But a cafeteria is going to be loud. A cafeteria is meant to be loud. Should they be screaming and throwing things? No, but it's going to be loud. We need people to understand that. We tell our kids all day long to stop talking, be quiet, be silent. You're in the hall, voices off, all that all day long. And then they get to the cafeteria and they explode. Wouldn't you? Of course. You can only sustain being silent for just so long. It's not comfortable and it's not normal and it's not human. It's going to be loud. We got to get our heads around that. So duties are a time when I can walk around and I can say to kids, hey, just dial it down a notch, or, do this, or hey, how's that, tater tot treating you, whatever. Those are what duties are all about. It's not about walking around doing one of these things going, all right, let's see, you over here. I saw that raisin. I saw you. But he made me throw. No, I saw you throw that raisin. What do you mean you made him throw that raisin? Oh my gosh, people, just walk around, be there for kids. The same thing with recess. Recess, we need to be visible. The most powerful thing you can do is just be visible. Be down there teaching them. Hey, listen, if you walk in front of the swings, you know what happens? You get kicked and knocked a few feet up there. That's going to hurt. Don't walk in front of the swings. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.